An element that just pops in or out of the DOM instantly feels abrupt. In this video, you'll wrap real conditionally rendered elements in transition tag and transition group tag to animate them in and out smoothly with plain CSS. Wrapping the Vue element in transition tag makes Vue apply real fade asterisk classes at each stage instead of an instant pop. These real CSS classes are exactly what Vue applies and removes automatically. The actual animation logic lives entirely in this plain CSS. Transition group genuinely animates each real tag as items are added, removed, or reordered in the array. This real CSS makes new items genuinely slide in from the right while fading in, driven entirely by transition group's applied classes. An element that instantly appears or disappears feels jarring. Transition and transition group apply real CSS classes at exactly the right moments, letting plain CSS drive a genuinely smooth animation. Transition tag auto-applies classes like xInteractive at each real animation stage. The actual animation logic lives in plain CSS targeting those Vue-applied class names. Transition group tag extends the same mechanism to a Vue list, including reordering. Wrap one of your own Vue elements in transition tag and write the matching slide CSS. Last video, putting everything from this series together into one real app.